Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by immediately securing essential prerequisites. Choose an assault rifle for medium-range holds and an SMG for tight corridors, and buy wall weapons to conserve points. Once done, activate the nearest generator and unlock the elevator to open the Pack-a-Punch route. This sets your mid-map mobility. Make sure to assign roles. One player keeps trains of zombies controlled while another focuses on engine puzzles. You move quickly, because early map control prevents chaos later and feeds you points for key upgrades. Now you progress into the complex middle. Execute temple puzzles in order, watching symbol patterns and timing cues closely so you don't reset progress. Once puzzles are engaged, funnel zombies through corridors to trigger traps and place C4 or monkey bombs to clear dense rounds. This conserves ammo and keeps objectives safe. Make sure to use the Pack-a-Punch as soon as you have the parts. Upgrade your primary weapon for higher damage and larger mags. Doing these steps methodically prevents backtracking and saves lives. To finish, assemble the final key item and trigger the boss arena, while you and your team immediately establish choke points with traps and heavy weapons. You will focus fire on the boss' weak spots and stagger burst windows. When one player reloads or heals, rotate cover every 15 to 20 seconds so you never get flanked. If things go wrong, fall back to the elevator room to revive teammates and buy breathing room. If necessary, intentionally reset the boss encounter to regroup and retry with better positioning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.